Excuse me. Hello everyone, Ajav and today is the day I've been waiting for since ages. Oh wait, no, that's my address. Never mind. So yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing the. I'm not even gonna tell it. Yeah, you have to wait for it. Okay, I need to find scissors. Okay, never mind. I can't find my scissors, so I'm just gonna open it with a pen. I'll give you a small hint. It's a 3x3. And yes, if you guessed the Tornado V3, you are absolutely right. Oh God! So yeah, we have this card. Also, I bought this cube from QiYi.com. And don't forget to use discount code RGF for a 50% off for your purchase. If you don't purchase with the discount code RGF50 on QiYi, I am actually gonna steal all your cubes away. Okay, so how do I even open this? Yeah, there we are. That's how it opens. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Finally. Here is the cube. By the way, is the flagship version, as you can see. Okay, let's open this. Huh? How do I? Is it like a? Okay, I don't want to harm the cube. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the cube. I'm gonna look at the accessory box first. It's a really big accessory box. So, oh wow, look at that. This bag looks so good. It has a good fiber as well. So I'm just gonna keep that aside. And what else do I have? This instruction manual. I'll look at that later. Cute cleaning cloth. Is it just like a spectacle cleaning cloth? Yeah, it is. But yeah, good job. Thank you for the cloth. And oh yes, let's go. I got my first ever tornado. Guess yeah. What? Okay, I think that's it. So I'm just gonna keep that. And I'm gonna look at this. What is this? Magnet adjustment tool. Yes, there we go. Okay. Now let's look at the cube. What? Oh, by the way, if my voice seems different today, it's because I have a cold. Oh, what? How did that just close on its own? Does it have magnets? What? Yeah, it does have magnets. Look at that. It's so cool. Focus. Come on. Focus. Focus. What? It's focusing on the logo. Okay, never mind. Frosted plastic. Seems good. I love the shades. Okay. So, I don't know what to do as the first turns. I guess a J-perm? No. Oh, this feels so different. Yeah, it has a snappy feel. Smooth, soft, kind of sandy out of the box. But that's okay. Oh my God. Wait, I haven't tried M moves yet. What? Seems different, but it's, let me see the, yeah, it's kind of tight, so I need to loosen it. Oh, what? It corner cuts so well. What? Oh my God, I'm amazed. Okay, I want to look at the box again. Tornado logo. Oh God. I did not notice this. It has some sort of beads. Let me try to put my cube inside of this. This fiber feels really plastic. It feels like plastic, but it doesn't at the same time. I forgot to wear the wristband. Why would I forget this? I dropped my 4x4. Oh my God. Okay, the magnets. I need to take a look at that. Wait, I'm gonna put it at the weakest setting because that's what I prefer. Okay, the magnets have been loosened and this feels good, to be honest. Very good. Okay. How do I remove the... Oh my god. Please don't be as tough as the can. Ow, that hurts. Okay, I'll take a look at that later. So yes, pretty impressed. Like, not even pretty. I'm very impressed. Okay, let's do a quick solve on this. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna bring the timer. You can't see it though. Okay, let me inspect. Okay, decent white cross. Do I see anything better? Yeah, I do. Okay. Kind of unstable. But... Oh, okay. 14.38. Not bad. Like, this is what I consider a good solve. It's really smooth. It's kind of unstable out of the box. I guess it has some lube inside. Yes, it does. So yeah, and it's quite tight, which I don't like, to be honest. But even though it has such a tight setting, it corner cuts so well. I don't even know what to say. Oh my god, this cube is too good out of the box. Oh my god. Oh! So this cube is really good. Excuse me. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.